tree will represent the generalized way to show the change in phase with for each and every symbol. You can see at each point you can say when symbol is 1, phase will be increased, when for symbol 0 phase will be decreased. So it will be the combination for all of the symbols. ठीक है, symbol 1 and symbol 0 for all the time. ठीक है, now we are for example we are having the bit sequence 1110100. ठीक है, so for that we have to draw the phase trellis. उसको उस टाइम उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, phase trellis. So this it is the changing of phase with some value of bit sequence. ठीक है, now we are using the phase trellis for specific, that is for MSK. So for MSK h is equals to 1/2. So for bit 1, now this red line corresponds to this bit sequence. So initially at t equal to 0, when bit is 1, so it will be increased by pi/2. h is equals to क्या, 1/2. h is equals to क्या, 1/2. So the phase will be increased by 1/2, pi/2. Now next bit is again 1, so it will be increased by pi/2. So the next phase will be pi. Now next bit is 0, so the phase will be decreased by minus pi/2. Again the bit is 1, so phase will be increased by pi/2. Now next bit is 0, the phase will be decreased by pi/2. Next bit is also 0, the phase will be decreased by pi/2, and for the last bit, that is 0, phase again decreased by pi/2. So this red line indicate the phase trellis for the bit sequence 1100000. Now it is just the example for realizing the MSK signal. ठीक है, for MSK signal, that is how the phase is changing. You can see here phase is not abruptly changed. You can see it is changing smoothly, linearly. ठीक है, so in the case of BPSK or QPSK, phase is changed abruptly, that is at the same time phase is 0 as well as pi in the case of BPSK. ठीक है, मतलब इसी टाइम पे t इक्वल टू 0 पे अगर सिंबल चेंज हो रहा था, इसी जगह पे पाई भी रहेगा. सो एट द सेम टाइम फेज इज नॉट सेम in the case of MSK. So therefore it cause the probability of error which is very high in BPSK. So it is reduced. You can say reduced for the bit sequence, for the different symbols. ठीक है, because of the this smooth change in the phase. ठीक है, probability of error उसमें कम हो जाती है. ठीक है, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एरर तो आपको सेम मिलेंगी, लेकिन आपको जो शिफ्ट मिल रहा है वो बहुत कम मिलेगा, उसकी वजह से एरर की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी वो कम हो जाएंगी. नाउ वी आर डिजाइनिंग फॉर द सिग्नल एस ऑफ टी सिग्नल. नाउ नेक्स्ट कंसिडर द सिग्नल फॉर, अगेन कंसिडर द इक्वेशन 2. ठीक है, इन दैट वी विल यूज द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी cos a plus b and is equals to a and b. So in equation 2, if you consider a is equals to theta of t and b is equals to 2 pi f c t. ठीक है, so it will become s of t is equals to under 2 eb by tb cos theta of t into cos 2 pi f c t minus under 2 eb by tb sin of theta t into sin 2 pi f c t. So it is just the using of trigonometric identity. Now consider this component, which is under root 2 eb by tb into cos 2 pi cos theta of t. ठीक है, this cos 2 pi fct constitute for change in constitute for the carrier frequency. ये किसके लिए, कैरियर फ्रीक्वेंसी के लिए. उसी तरह से यहाँ पे साइन एफ सी 2 पाई एफ सी टी, एफ सी इज द कैरियर फ्रीक्वेंसी. ठीक है, सो इसके अलावा जो भी चीज रहेंगे वी आर लेट कंसिडर इट इज द component of s of t. You can see it is cos 2 pi fct, it is the 2 pi cos 2 pi fct. So it will be the in phase component of s of t. It will be the in phase component of s of t. Similarly it is quadrature to the signal of s of t. So therefore this is the quadrature component. Quadrature और in phase क्या होता है, इनको हमने QPSK में देख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. So let SI of t is the SI of t is equals to क्या है, under root p by tb cos theta of t, which is in phase component of MSK signal. And now use the relation of h is equals to 1/2 and theta of 0 equal to theta of 0 plus theta of t is equal to theta of 0 plus minus pi t by 2 tb. So it will become pi t by 2 tb. h is equals to 1/2 पूरा सब्स्टिट्यूट किया हमने. तो now here plus sign, in the plus sign symbol will be 0 and for minus sign symbol for प्लस साइन विल बी फॉर symbol 1 एंड माइनस साइन फॉर symbol 0. सो अ सिमिलर रिजल्ट विल होल्ड, दैट इज अभी हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिंगल बिट 0 to TB. So in this equation